It's not just about talking about it in a PowerPoint, it's showing it in the system. And that's why I feel like our alliance with Snowflake is so important. It allows us to really work together, understand the platform so that when it comes to implementation, the customers have a really smooth ride to make sure that they can bring it to life.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Data Cloud Now. I'm currently in the south of France at Cannes Lion, where I'm now delighted to be joined by Linn Teigland, EY Global Vice Chair, Alliances and Ecosystems. Julie, I can't believe it's been a year since our last chat at Cannes. Such a pleasure to sit down with you again.
You know, time flies so fast, but this is my favorite location, favorite event. So super excited.
I love it. Julie, EY advises some of the world's largest media and entertainment companies on digital transformation. From your seat, how are the data and AI needs of M&E clients evolving in 2026, and what patterns are you seeing across the industry?
I tell you, the industry has moved a lot. We've moved from hype last year in our conversation, where's the AI hype, to really moving to scale and looking not only at delivering insights, but really automating the processes below it. It's become a reality. And the needs of our customers in terms of how they're looking to evolve that reality have changed. They want more data to drive insights and further personalization. The whole industry is on a move.
Wonderful to hear, and it gives us a great foundation to dive a little bit deeper. And your 2026 M&E Trends Report highlights the tension between AI-driven efficiency and the premium on authenticity. How are you helping clients navigate that balance, leveraging AI to scale while preserving the human creativity spark?
Well, I think it's important that we understand there's no opposition between creativity and AI.
Well said.
And there's no reason why we can't leverage AI to produce better insights, but acknowledging that human judgment is going to be critical for that cultural nuance to get that emotional connection.
I love that.
We need humans above the loop. I really think there is a paradox out there right now, though. When you look at what our studies are showing, 69% of people are nervous about AI and the trust, but yet 79% are looking for ways to save time and more efficiency. Trying to balance that is through that emotional connection.
Taking this one step further, how do you see the relationship between consulting firms and technology platforms evolving as AI becomes embedded in every workflow? And is the line between advisor and builder blurring these days?
Absolutely. That line is totally blurring. To be honest, you need really good implementation advice, hands-on, as you're giving that advice. It's not just about talking about it in a PowerPoint, it's showing it in the system. And that's why I feel like our alliance with Snowflake is so important. It allows us to really work together, understand the platform so that when it comes to implementation, the customers have a really smooth ride to make sure that they can bring it to life.
I absolutely love it. And bringing it to today at Cannes, some exciting recent news coming out of Snowflake with the release of their 5th annual Modern Marketing Data Stack report, where EY is featured. From your seat, Julie, what does success look like in 2026?
I think success looks like from moving from insights to actually automating those processes to give more data precision, to be able to respond in the moment, and to provide a more personalized experience.
I love that. That's what everyone's looking for. Julie, now I want to look towards what's next. As you look out, say, 3 to 5 years, what does the data mature media company look like, and what capabilities will separate the leaders from the laggards?
I tell you, when you look in the future, as you're suggesting, I feel the companies that really leverage the power of AI to drive that in the moment response with the personalized journey are going to win. Take a look at theme parks and everything that you can imagine can happen from the minute you walk into the entrance to your ticketing, your routing, your offers of souvenirs, understanding what restaurants are available in your area, and suggestions that can create wow moments throughout. I want everything to become personalized, and for media and entertainment companies to be asking, what if that was my only customer? How would that journey look like?
And I love that, always putting the customer first. I have to ask before we go, what's next for EY?
Next for EY is supporting our companies, our clients, in making sure that we're moving from that insights to automated process to make sure that we're streamlining streaming, making it simpler, easier. Streamlining streaming sounds ridiculous, but it's absolutely true.
I absolutely love it. It's spot on.
It's making that happen. It's making sure that we're taking insights and driving it through to the process for the better of our customers.
Well, Julie, it's always a pleasure. Thank you again for making the time. Always great seeing you.
Fantastic.
And for the audience watching, I'm Ryan Green with Data Cloud Now. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll catch you next time.